Perhaps you have tried in vain to make the law of attraction work for you before. Maybe you have followed all the rules you were given yet still received little evidence that the law of attraction works. Well, now it's time to apply 3 simple keys to getting everything you ever wanted through the law of attraction. Most souls who try to use the law of attraction to achieve their goals in life, unfortunately, fail. They strive for what they want by following the law of attraction instructions let out by people who cannot use the law themselves. If you wish to achieve great things, then you should know what the law of attraction masters has always known: you must be, then do before you can have. Let me explain. One of the biggest problems people find when they try to use the law of attraction for the first time is resistance from the outside world. It would appear that no matter how hard they try, the world just pushes against them and denies them their dreams. It looks as though it doesn't matter what they do, for the harder they strive for what they want and push against the world, the harder the world pushes back. They then fall into the trap of blaming the world for their woes or even blaming God. This is a disastrous mindset to have if you wish to successfully and consciously employ the law of attraction to your advantage. In order to achieve your dreams and desires, the first key of the law of attraction must be turned. You must be what desire. This means if you want to achieve $1 million through the law of attraction, you must first become a millionaire in your own consciousness. The law of attraction can bring you anything and everything you want. In fact, anything you can hold in mind can be yours if you follow the rules of the law of attraction properly. Although it is common to want to change your environment or other people, this is the wrong approach to the law of attraction. The first key states that you must first be what you want. This means you cannot change anyone or anything but yourself. Create a vision of what you want as though it were already yours. Convince yourself that you are the type of person who deserves to have it. Start to feel like you already have it by imagining you have it. Focus on the things you want. Never try to change things that you do not like. By trying to change the environment on other people, you are thinking about what you do not want, and the law of attraction will bring you more of it. When you permit the world and other people to be exactly as they are, you stay focused in the moment, and this is always where your power is. You cannot change anything with the law of attraction but yourself. When you change yourself, things around you begin to change. This is the only power you have, but it is unlimited. Through the law of attraction, you will find yourself in different situations, around different people, or being reacted to differently by the same people because you have changed. Can you see how being grateful for things in your life can activate the law of attraction in your favor? Identify the things in life that you truly want. Once you have identified what it is that you want, to think of those things often. Visualize yourself in possession of them already. This is you becoming at one with your desire. This is how you be your desire. When you be your desire, you automatically start the law of attraction process to bring it to you. This is the first key to the law of attraction. Although the first key is vitally important in your law of attraction work, it is only one of 3. The second key is just as important. You must be willing to take some form of action to help you get what you want. Once you take steps, no matter how small, to get what you want, you will reinforce the power behind the law of attraction. Action is vital. The last and third key to the law of attraction is allowing yourself to have what you want. Although this seems straightforward, many people have a hard time accepting the very things they are seeking. Let the law of attraction bring you the things you want. Prepare yourself for their arrival and feel deserving of them when they arrive. Here is a quick reference to the 3 law of attraction keys. 1. Be what you want then. 2. Do what you need to do to get it before you can. 3. Have what it is you want, by allowing it into your experience. If you did like the video, do sure like and comment on the video. Also, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more of the contents like this.